Hi, it's Jason and Jason's Jungle. I'm just going to go into the greenhouse and show you how that's doing. So this is my greenhouse. Got toms down one side and I was having cucumbers down the other, but they just didn't do anything. So I'll start off with the toms. Well, underneath you can see we've still got these walking onions, which are doing quite well. And then I've got coming out here, this is early Galliana, which is starting to get the toms on it. These little white things are supposed to help support the tusses and stop them snapping themselves off when the fruit swells. I will see if that works and see if it's any good. So anyway, this is early Galliana, that's right. Then I have orange banana. These are both doing good in here, but rubbish in my polytunnel. Now I'm missing one here. That was a white bull's heart. I've got a replacement I can stick in there. And then we come here to my Aurea. That's the long, thin, peanut-shaped tomatoes. And then after that I have an Amish paste. They're growing strong and they don't all have that many tusses on them, but I'll be happy with what I get. So after the Amish paste, I've got some rose quartz. Again, nothing until the top, so we'll just see how much we get. Then I have OSU, which I think is the Oregon State University. Au blonde avec tétons, so the busty blonde. It's got a couple of, it's got at least one up there. Then if we go into this corner here, I have my Chio Sands. It's got a couple of tusses on. And then I have down here Millefleur Yellow. And then I have a Café Boule. And I've got all my spare toms up here. What I might have to do is stick them out somewhere. I've given away quite a few, and the rest of them I might put in the garden. I think I can cobble together a frame for them. Next to them I've got a tray full of sweet potatoes, which I will probably stick in pots in the corner of the greenhouse, and maybe some in a bed. Look underneath me toms, I've got some peppers. It's got some nice flowers on there, so it's starting to branch out. I think that is the that's a paprika pepper there, and one next to it. I have another sweet pepper here, which is the bull's horn. And then here I think this is a bird's eye. It's doing okay. And then I have the Trinidad perfume, which has got some nice peppers on it. If we look at the other side, this is a Shortshire. It's quite a big growing plant. The fact that I've had two that took up half the greenhouse before. This is a seedling I found growing in the greenhouse this year. I thought, might as well, if it's coming back, I might as well hide in a pot. And I could always just take the pot out and burn it later on if it gets out of hand. I've got here some butterbush squash, which is a bush version of the butternut. This has got some tiger nuts in, as well as a couple of chard and lettuce because the seedlings grew. And then I've got a bush tomato in a pot. This is Geranium Kiss, and it's getting some nice toms on there. Just keep shaking it, and it's getting loads and loads of tusses on it. Then I have another one, Geranium Kiss again, in the ground. And behind here, at the bottom of these strings, I did plant cucumbers. which haven't done any very well. I think one of them survived, which is the which one's this one? That's the Burpless Tasty. But the Caracello didn't come, neither did the other ones. This one was the White Wonder, which died off. I've planted out a couple more here. You can see one died and one still alive. That's Crystal Apple. Then I have some Puna Kira, which are still alive after the second transplant. Then I've got Armenian. So the cucumbers aren't doing well in here, but they're doing great in the polytunnel. And the toms are doing great in here, but not as well in the polytunnel. So 6 and 2/3. I'm going around. I've got a Vontier tom there, some chard, Vontier, and of course my walking onions. Which, if you remember on the walking onion video, this was the baby. It's now got its own little baby over there. So the walk is now walking again. And well, look at the size of these bulbs. I mean, I'd be happy with that out of my main crop. So if I can get bulbs like that out of these, that'd be fantastic. I'm definitely going to grow these on and see what I can do. And of course on here I've got some alliums Upri drying off. So that's my greenhouse at the minute. If you like it, click like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and leave a comment down below. Tell us what you think. And I'll see you on my next video.